Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTube channel. Today in this tutorial we will learn about split function in Python. Now what is the use of the split function? For example, when you perform any data analysis task and if you are working with text, then in that case sometimes we need a specific word or a specific sentence. Okay, so like for example, in this particular sentence, life is good. If I just want to split this sentence into different words, then this split function we can use. So text is equal to life is equal to good. This is the string we have taken. X is equal to txt dot split, and this function will split the sentence and it will return a list. Okay, so if I just execute this, then I am getting the list of words which are separated in a form of list. Okay. Now for example, if in your sentence if there are some special characters or anything, then how you can do that? Like for example, if I have this kind of string and if I want to access the particular location, like for example, if I just want to separate the first letter or word from the rest, then what I can do, x is equal to text dot split. Here you can specify the separator. So this is the separator for me. I am going to separate the first word from the rest of the string. So that's why I have written here hash. This is the separator, and then I have specified the location, like which word I want to separate. So this is the first location I'm specifying here, and if I just execute this, then this is what I get, life and the rest in the another list. Okay, so basically the it always returns a list. Now for example, if I just want to access the particular word from the list and I don't want to return a list at all, okay, then how you can do that? So this is again another string, life underscore is underscore to underscore good, and again this is the function which I'm using, text dot split, and I'm specifying the character underscore, and now I want the first part, that is I just want life. I don't want this kind of result like life is good and like this type of result in a list format. Then you can do that by specifying the position in the list. Okay, so bracket 1, this means that 0 1 2 3. If you access any list from left to right, then the position is 0 1 2 3. So that's why it is returning is. Okay, so if I just change the position, like if I put -1, then see what it will return. It will return good, because from left to right it's positive, and from the right to left, if I want to access something, then I can also do it this way, like -1 -2 -3 and all. Okay, so this is how you can get to a location and get the word. Now one subscriber asked me a question like how I can access the name of image from a particular URL. So it's very simple. You can use the split function here, and you can specify like what exactly you want to get from this particular URL. For example, if I'm interested in this abc.jpg, the name of the file, then what I can do is like y is equal to x dot split. I have written here the dot because I am interested in the abc. That's why I am going to write dot and the 0th location. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so okay, I need to make some changes here. Instead of writing x, I will have to write txt. Okay, I'll remove this printf statement, and now okay, so what I'm getting www. Why? Because I have specified the location 0 here, so that's why the 0 location is www and the separator is dot. Okay, now for example, if I want to get this abc.jpg, then what I'll have to do here, I will have to specify -1. Okay, so -1 is giving me location from the right hand side. Okay, and if I just write here slash, and if I write -1, then I will get the entire abc.jpg. So in this way you can play with this split function and you can access the particular location word. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.